I found a simple way to get TikTok on your Apple Watch, so I wanted to make this video to show you exactly how to do it step by step. The very first step is open up your text message on your phone here and send a message to someone or yourself. I'm gonna send a message to myself. And for the message, just type out tiktok.com. So the website here is what we're gonna type out and press send, and it should send it as a message. Now we need to open the same message on our watch. So go down to the messages app here, click on your name here to open up the message or whoever you send this to, and then go ahead and click it to open it. And it's gonna open up the browser version of TikTok here. So you're gonna say not now because there is no watch app. You just have to say not now here. And then you could actually log in. So I just logged in with a new account I've created here. So I went to the profile page and logged in. You don't want to open the app though, because there is no app. That's going to just take you to a page that doesn't work. But now I could go to the home page, for example, here. It's a little bit hard to navigate since this is kind of a workaround and videos don't actually play. But here you could actually go through, you could even go to the search bar here and look up different accounts. So under the users, I'll go to an account. And you could actually follow accounts here, and then you could see everything they got going on under their homepage. You could even go to any one of these and press like and even share here. So that's kind of the limitation because the app basically plays the videos for you, but the watch version just basically lets you view things and it will interrupt you with get the app from time to time message. So that is a cool workaround that I think you might find useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.